It's okay.
It's okay.
Expiration date, love. I could still use it. I don't care.
Use it. If it's not, it's okay. If it's yes, it's more. Okay?
Nope. Fat too. Wow. So messed up, man. I thought they would consider. Nope.
Maybe they forgot.
Nope, no. They didn't.
Let's ask.
I'm gonna try to like this this video. Yeah. It's all fat. And there's no lean meat here at all. I gave it all to you. All the best noodles. At least I like the noodles and the flavors. What is that? No, no, no. What is this? I don't know.
Egg. It's egg.
Boiled? From what bird? No?
Quail.
No, no, you can have it, love.
You don't want to try it?
It's okay.
This is beef balls.
Beef balls?
Yeah.
I like beef balls.
How about spam?
No, I like it, but not for that. Keep it, keep it.
This is a lot now.
But give me, give it to me.
A lot of meat.
Wow. Spam everywhere. Oh, that's good. That's a fair trade. Then you take this. Well, your brother took us in LA. I don't know if that was Korean.
That's Korean too.
Huh?
That's Korean too.
Yeah, well, it's so different than this
Yeah,
one.
it is.
Very different.
Shrimp ball.
No, 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 no. It's okay, Mom. It's okay. Eat. Don't worry.
Yeah. Everything's okay?
Well, I was gonna mention, I didn't get any lean meat. It's all fat, but it's okay. Next time if possible, but it's all fat.
You know what? Let me grab some more for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I only tell maybe.
She's not eating fat.
Yeah, 'cause I don't eat the fat. I eat lean meat only.
Yeah.
You know what? I believe that this is tender.
Yeah, that's why.
Tender. See, but let me grab you some more the chunk.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, see, this is the tender.
Yeah.
Tender. Not the really the fat one.
If you want, you can.
Don't worry, don't worry.
If you want, you can take it. It's so funny.
I don't like that. Tender fat. Ew. This is hot and it's not spicy at all.
Oh. Hot? What do you mean? Not spicy, but it's hot? You can get it. Can I get? I don't understand.
It's supposed to be spicy, but it's not. It's not spicy at all.
Wow.
No, it's not. It's not. Trust me, love.
Can I have the soup that is not spicy, love? I'm gonna mix it. want Ate to be here.
Mm-hmm.
Because, you know, she's gonna like it.
Yeah. We'll be happy hanging out with her.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Before you like this is the tofu.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna try it?
I tried it already, mommy.
For me, this is so spicy still.
You're a baby.
Mm-hmm. I really like this.
It's good though. The flavors are good. It's just that I didn't get beef.
Next time, we will bring our meat.
Mm-hmm. Put it in there. You just throw it in there.
Yeah. Because it's so yummy, but
Mhm.
it's just that the meat is always fat.
Thank you, dear.